Hi guys, and thanks for watching our second update on August 6th, 2023. So I had some spare time this evening, so I decided that I should put it to good use and make a video. And we can see that this evening, our satellite is looking at this. So today's shower clouds are dying out now in the Irish Sea, and it's quite clear over the eastern half of the country. Though further west, a bit of cloud is moving in, and that is tied in with this front here, and that affects the south of Ireland tomorrow, and there's a bit of uncertainty about that. More about it in a second. But looking at today's radar from met.ie, you can see that this morning showers were forming widely over Ulster and also into North Leinster, and as we went towards lunchtime, big downpours formed over the east, in the Midlands and the north, and they just became more and more confined towards the east. Some thunder was reported over Ulster. On the way to the airports on the M50, I was on the M50 at about 1 PM today, and you can see several sharp downpours around the M50 today at 1 PM. So we were caught in several, not several, but a few downpours, some very short, sharp downpours on the M50 today. So it was quite a very much commemorative day. The showers were somewhat isolated where we were, but further north we had some big lines of showers over Ulster, and they became more widespread also down into Leinster into the afternoon. And as I said, they gradually became more and more confined towards the east coast in the evening, and by evening, many areas were dry, except for areas across the southeast in particular, and we carried on towards nightfall with the showers dying off and things clearing. There are a few showers lingering off the east coast, and they're dying out now, and these skies are clear, except for over Donegal and into parts of Antrim. So this is the UKV 5-day forecast. So you can see today's downpours in the east clearing off tonight. Tonight should be dry and clear, but cloud will gradually filter in from the west towards morning, and actually tomorrow morning showers will form over the northern half of the country actually. So some more downpours there, probably not as heavy as those today though. So, and into the afternoon and evening, we should see this area of rain move in from the south and southwest. Now, the issue is that last night's UKV run shows a band of rainfall, an area of rain that was fragment as it moved eastwards, similar to this run. But this morning's run showed an area of quite heavy rain moving quite swiftly eastwards over the south country earlier than this time here. And now this run has gone back to the idea of a band of rain slowly moving eastwards and fragmenting as it does so. So it's really quite uncertain as to whether tomorrow will be damp or wet in the south. We'll just see in the morning and see how things are looking then, and then we may have a clearer idea. But to be honest, I don't think we'll know until tomorrow afternoon and evening arrives, and the event actually plays out. I think only then will we actually know how this is going to play out. So into tomorrow evening and night, the area of rain just sort of gets stranded and slowly fades away. Into Tuesday, we see sunny spells breaking through quite widely, especially into the evening hours, though in the south it'll be cloudier. Into Wednesday, this weak warm front pushes northeastwards, bringing clouds and some drizzle to some areas of the country, though by evening it'll be clearing, and some sunshine will break through across the south of the country. Into Thursday, southeasterly winds will dominate, cloudiest in the east and south, brightest over Ulster and Connacht, and by afternoon a thundery cold front will move into Munster, and ahead of it some storms there in the Irish Sea. Actually, some big storms there getting over Scotland. This is one to watch, and also some storms around Dublin by Thursday at 9 PM. This is one to watch, guys. It could be a thundery front here, and it will gradually push eastwards into Friday, leaving us on Friday in this cool and showery west to southwesterly winds. So cool and showery on Friday. Temperature forecast is looking like this. So if we get rid of this and this, we can see that tonight's tonight's temperatures will drop away quite widely to around the single figures in the east and south, elsewhere 10 to 12. Into tomorrow morning, we see temperatures rising towards the high teens everywhere except the south and southwest, because that is where that front will just start to push in. Okay, so into tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, temperatures dropping away, especially over Ulster, North Ulster, below 10 degrees, quite significantly so, but elsewhere 10 to 14 or 15 actually on the south coast. Into Tuesday morning, temperatures rising as we go through the day, especially in Connacht, Munster, and parts of West Leinster, getting towards the 20 degree mark, but elsewhere I'd say 16 to 20 degrees. 20 degrees achieved anywhere southwest of the line from Mayo to Wexford. And into Tuesday nights, again we sort of see the coolest air over Ulster, and as I said before, the warmer air will really take its time to move and get over Ulster. You can see Ulster still around 10 degrees on Tuesday night, but elsewhere over Munster, look at that, high teens. That's because a warm front is moving in now. And Scotland is cold, possibly cold for August. Down to 5 degrees in the mountains, in the valleys. Into Wednesday though, the warmth will reach Ulster, so everywhere getting towards the low 20s. Highest temperature possibly getting towards 23 or even 24 degrees, and that'll feel very nice in the sunshine. Into Wednesday night and Thursday. So Thursday morning starts quite chilly in this. What am I saying? Not chilly at all. Quite warm everywhere, but comparatively chilly compared to Ulster. Ulster comes on Thursday near 20 degrees. That is ridiculous. And in the south of the country, mid-teens. Into Thursday afternoon, 20s everywhere bar the south coast. That's just the south coast will be exposed to that southerly wind, bringing cloud and drizzle, but everywhere else should see bright spells and temperatures rising. Into 3 a.m. Friday, the warm air clears away towards the UK. Now, by the way, I'll be in Birmingham at this time on Thursday night. That'll be my first night in the UK for 2 weeks. I'll be there for 2 weeks from August 10th to 24th. And, this will be my first night. Look at that. I'll be in Birmingham. 18, 19, possibly 20 degrees. That will be oppressive. Oh my god. And into Saturday itself, cooling down somewhat, but in the east, still getting towards 20, 21 degrees, but elsewhere high teens. This is the NAO observed and GFS forecasts for the next few days or so, next 2 weeks or so. Currently plummeting towards strongly negative NAO territories and rising as we go into the second half of August. It will rise towards neutral. So actually, the Azores High will strengthen and try and reach towards us despite this continuing negative NAO trends, and you'll see it very, very soon with these runs. So this is a GFS 12 run, so you can see that today we see shower winds from the northwest, as you know, some downpours in the east today and in the north. Into tomorrow, Monday, we see a weak low pushing eastwards, bringing some rain and drizzle to the south. Uncertainty over how heavy it will be and its timing. If it's heavier, it'll move in faster. Into Tuesday and Wednesday, there's also central ridge towards Europe, and that will turn the wind into the south. Into Thursday, and you can see that a cold front will approach on Thursday evening. And actually, on Thursday evening, I'll be catching my flight to the UK. So if there's thunder, that may be troublesome. So just watch your space. thunder is welcome. I like it, but not when I'm flying. If you know what I mean. It just cause all sorts of mayhem and havoc. Anyway, getting off into Friday. You see a good showery wind on Friday. Showery again on Saturday. Into Sunday, there's also tries to reach northwards, and actually does so by Monday, next Monday. But the low to our west will try and break through, but it will take its time, and it's only by Friday, August 18th, that this cold front will actually move into the country, bringing a change to showery winds again, and into Sunday, August 20th, into the final third of August, really quite westerly, but there's also closer to us, look at that. So quite westerly, but dry, I think, with the best sunshine in the south. This is the ECM 12Z run. So you can see the ECM is looking at this. Brief ridge there tonight and tomorrow. But that area of drizzle and rain will move in towards the south in the afternoon and evening. Into Tuesday and Wednesday. There's also centre ridge towards Europe. And the winds go southerly. And the cold front comes through Thursday evening, Friday morning. And westerly winds replace it on Friday afternoon, bringing showers and thunderstorms. Low swings eastwards into Monday, August 14th. And we say quite unsettles into next week. Though that's quite warm and thundery there by Wednesday, August 16th. As we said, that the GFS has been more consistent in its trends for warmer and dry weather to sort of be more long lasting and of a high frequency. But the other runs seem to have it breaking down at weekend and not really coming back. This is the UK Met run. So the week low coming in on Monday and into Tuesday, Wednesday, we see the ridge pushing eastwards and a southerly wind there by Thursday. So warm for Wednesday and Thursday, countrywide. But that cold front comes through Thursday evening, bringing possibly thunderstorms while I'm flying. And into Friday, we see a showery run of westerly and southwesterly winds. And into the weekend, we see the winds from the southwest bringing showers and thunderstorms. This is a GEM run. GEM is looking like this. So we can see that high pressure is regime tonight. Before that, shallow low moves in tomorrow and Tuesday. And after Thursday, Wednesday and Thursday, winds tilt into a southerly to southeast direction. There we go. Into Wednesday and Thursday. That cold front comes through Thursday evening, Friday morning again when I'm flying, and into Thursday and Saturday and Sunday. We get that low right over us, so it will be quite cool and wet for that weekend. With that area of low on Wednesday, August 16th, being quite a wet day. The Icon is looking like this. So the Icon run is going for a transit ridge tonight, followed by a shallow low tomorrow, followed by there's also ridging into Europe into Wednesday and Thursday, bringing us some warmer and dry weather. But on Thursday evening, that cold front will move in, being quite a nuisance for anyone who is flying on Thursday evening, I'm pretty sure. And into Saturday and Sunday, westerly winds rule the roost. With us also actually looking a bit more involved there by August 14th. Third area of low pressure will be coming in to replace it with wet weather. And finally, the arpège, the French model, is looking like this. So, again, transit ridge tonight, shallow tomorrow. There's also sending ridge into Europe into Wednesday and Thursday, bring up that southerly flow into Friday morning, Thursday evening, Friday morning. That active cold front comes in, possibly bringing storms, and into Friday we're into a showery run of westerly winds. So, we're done for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Actually, if I have time tomorrow, because tomorrow should be a busy day for me. My granny is here, and we're going out to different places. I'll see you then.